In this video, we're going to see how you can change low-quality images to high quality. To increase the image quality, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now click Choose a Photo, then drag the image you want to increase the quality of and drop it. As you can see, the image quality has been increased. Here you can select how much you want to increase the quality. So if your image needs only slight improvements, you can select this. I am going to select this. As you can see, the image quality has been improved. Now to download the image, just click Save and your image will be downloaded. That's it, guys. This is how you can change a low-quality image to a high-quality image. Subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot more useful here.